Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this video about the trades taken this week so far. Today is Wednesday, midweek, February 6th. So let's get started. This is one of the trade. I was expecting Aussie weakness. I made the chart, the Aussie index supposed to drop and get weaker, and Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, and Aussie CAD will go down, and Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie will go up in when Aussie start getting weaker. So this is one of them. Aussie Yen, all the way on the top, I made an entry. This was also a very nice entry, but I was in already. But this was like wave 1, 2, and shooting for the wave 3 around 1.618. And as you can see, very nice and clean. It went down there, and I closed the trade exactly at around wave 3 target hit. Similarly, Aussie USD did the same thing. My entry was here, right, and then it 1, 2 and hit 1.618 area for wave 3, expecting a pullback for wave 4, and then make an entry again later on, maybe tonight or tomorrow, whenever the move starts, for wave 5 to the downside. So that would be a couple of nice decent trades here, and then you can see well that was so this was a final target hit. This chart, this was after, and this is the first chart that I was expecting that it was coming down here. So that's the same thing. I just recorded the chart twice. And another another Aussie pair was this Euro-Aussie, and since Aussie getting weaker, Euro-Aussie we go up, and like contrary that Aussie Yen and Aussie USD went down. Since Aussie is on the right hand side, Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie will go up. So Pound Aussie I totally missed. I was full, so I didn't care. But Euro-Aussie, I made an entry here exactly at the level, and then went up, down. This is what when the news came out, and you can see how it went all the way up. This low held very nicely. Okay, so this is, and because of the yen index also getting strong, means yen was getting strong, then I said all the yen pairs gonna go down. So Aussie yen, you already saw they went down. This is CAD yen entry. This is all still alive, going down, and I have it running, and also New Zealand yen because of that yen. So yen index has a long way to go down. Yen is gonna get strong, and all yen pair will be going down for next few days, or probably the whole week and into the next week. So I'll be shorting all yen pairs. If it start to go up, I'll leave that alone. I'm not gonna go long any of these yen pairs. I will be only waiting for short. Okay, so just like I did, I'm sitting on the New Zealand yen and CAD yen. I'm sitting on the break even, so no worries. If it goes up and hit my SL, thank you very much, no problem. The trade I closed already more than 300 pip, so it doesn't really matter, right? And we still have tomorrow and Friday, so more to come on Aussie weakness as well. So next time, maybe tonight, I'm gonna try to catch the Pound Aussie. Actually, Pound Aussie went up big time, and I missed it. Anyway, this is what it is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and the rest of the week, the trading week. And if you want to get the system, if you like it, what you see, go to my website, subscribe, and be a part of this. And the Telegram channel is working fine. I'm putting their heads up with the setups and everything, and trades and charts, and everybody happy there. So yeah, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.